If you really want it, you do what you've got to do, make it come to life. Always follow who you are. Come to life. You do what you've got to do, make it come to life.
Hi, it's me, Murithi, once again with a new video. Today we are going to South Africa. South Africa has plans to build 3 modern cities as the government seeks to decentralize and distribute developments across the country. This will help the government create better living environments for its citizens. Building cities in post-apartheid South Africa gives the government a chance to plan new cities well in line with the needs of modern cities. They plan to put up smart cities, industrial zones, and modern real estate projects. Today we are going to look at 2 of these cities. Waterfall City, South Africa. Waterfall City is a mixed-use city project in Midrand, South Africa. It's located halfway between Johannesburg and Pretoria on a 2,200 hectares area. This large-scale property development is the most ambitious city-building project ever undertaken in post-apartheid South Africa with an estimated total of $5.8 billion. The Attack Waterfall Investment Company was given 99-year lease on the land to develop and run the property. Already there is a private hospital, 8 schools, a heliport for helicopters, and thousands of residential homes close to offices of global giants like Deloitte and Novartis, as well as malls like the Mall of Africa and Waterfall Honor. This city will be a solution to huge demand for office spaces, shops, homes, and logistic spaces as the region continues to grow. Lanseria Smart City, South Africa. Lanseria Smart City is a conceptual project planned for the Greater Lanseria area in Gauteng. The Lanseria Smart City project was announced by South African President Cyril Ramaphosa in 2020. The total project estimates are placed at 500 billion South African rands or $30 billion. The city will be technology driven and home to 350,000 to 500,000 people when completed in the next decade. During the 2021 State of the Nation address, Ramaphosa said the project was a reality in the making, with the government intending to invest $6.8 million in the city. The inner focus zone area is 28,663 hectares, of which the proposed urban structure and development framework concept is placed at 15,162 hectares, 52.9% under development. Gig economy and digital economy conceptualized enablers are free basic broadband, sandboxing for smart governance using blockchain technology, IoT, and AI. They are to be embedded in all design elements. Cities' cost of infrastructure developments will be covered by a loan from the Development Bank of South Africa. The bank will claim a percentage of future service charges that developers and residents will pay. The city will use innovative technologies to provide smarter, more sustainable solutions and services. The city is marked as one of the 3 most significant projects and opportunities to evolve a genuine post-apartheid urban scale. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my content, please subscribe. I cannot insist enough. Always give a like, it motivates us to even work harder and grow our channel. To my returning subscribers, you are my purpose. Thank you very much.